Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A54s, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you can see all the visible icons. We can add here more icons, we can remove these icons, or also we can change their position. And how to do that? You just should click here on this edit icon once. Now we can see here this just down section with the icons which we can add. Just to add them, hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up section here, or just you can drag it here to the second screen, for example the app lock and the just screen lock, the screen recording icon. And after that just you can go back and we can see that we just changed successfully and add the new icons here. To remove icons by the same way, hold it and drag it here to this down section by this way. And sure, you can just change their positions here, just hold and drag. So as can you see, that's so simple to do that. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.